I'm Justin Dumb and welcome back to Dumb Engineering. Sorry we haven't posted anything in a while. I've been really busy with a lot of projects.
Hey Justin, what have you been working on instead of Dumb Engineering?
Stuff, but we're back and ready to go. Today, I'm joined by my coworker, Aaron Blair, a mechanical engineer in the robotics department, and we're going to talk to you about cobots. Today, we're lucky enough to have a FANUC CRX cobot in our shop, and we're going to show you how easy it is to program. So to start off, Aaron, can you please explain what a cobot is?
A collaborative robot, or Cobot for short, is a robot intended for safe, direct human-robot interaction, where humans and robots are in close proximity to one another. Cobot applications contrast with traditional industrial robot applications, where the robots are isolated completely from human contact. FANUC's new CRX robots are safe, flexible, quick to implement, and easy to program, as we're about to demonstrate.
Now, we're going to go and show you a demo of how easy it is to program one of these robots to do a basic task.
So right now, we're going to hit play on an existing program that we've done.
Alright, so pretty basic deal. We're just picking up a die and moving it. So now, what are the individual steps that we're going to go through in creating this program?
Alright, so where the robot is at right now, we're going to call it a home position. We're going to drag a point there, and that's going to be point 1. Next, we're going to drag the robot down to a pick position. And we're going to teach that as another point. Lastly, we're going to insert a point in between those two as an approach point. We're going to tap on the point that we inserted in between, and we're going to hit touch up and acknowledge that. And then at the end, we're going to add a gripper close option, so that'll simulate the gripper jaw closing. Then we're just going to run through that really quickly just to test the points we created. So it goes back home, it goes to pick, then it picks it. And it's as easy as that. So you repeat that for every single one.
Easy as that.
Easy as that.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode of Dumb Engineering.